We got the qualifier right here, guys. We got rally first heat, 10-minute qualifier. Getting ready, get on out here. See what this engine can do.
Jamie Palmer.
Who's number one? You's number one, Joey, I think.
This is just ready to start at the town.
The heck? I don't know. I'm scared off that one. That was nerve-wracking. It did it again. don't worry.
It's cutting out your trouble, right?
Yeah.
Right, so probably the failsafe coming in.
It will cut off though. My servo ain't moving all the way. See?
That's loose. That's something right
Damn it. Servo, it's either binding up on something. Yeah, I'm gonna go take it apart and look at it.
Consecutive result.
Well, I couldn't finish that qualifier.
Eli McCormick done with a
I'll tell you what was wrong.
106.9 and top 3
This linkage
consecutive
right here,
result
that linkage.
463,407.
That linkage was
All right,
hitting
that's
that
it.
bolt.
That race is
I
over,
forgot to tighten
guys.
that
That
bolt
race
up.
is over. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Forgot to tighten that bolt up, man. Ah. Oh well. Cause I think I got 8 laps in on that.
And it's
on that
time
race.
for the next one. Last race of this round, guys. Last race.